the first official father-daughter deer hunt of the year. The stand was 16 feet in the air, and she did great. So we're going home. Take your kids hunting. It's fun. Well, I just shot a doe. It's 7:37. I've been holding my rifle in the cold since 6:40 because I'm way back here. I'm going to give you a look at where I'm at. So like I said, I've been holding my rifle all morning. I was expecting them to come out from here. I do not know if they did, but when I looked up, she was walking here and I shot her right back through this opening, and then she ran and I watched her fall down right back there. So I'm hoping she's down. I saw her fall. I think she's dead. And I got a pack out. I mean, but look how gorgeous it is back here. All right, we're gonna safely do this. Get down. There's all my sticks. Pack everything up nice and neat and walk over to this deer. That's what we're gonna do. And drink some coffee. I got some blood here. Let's get more blood here. Here. Trying to see that there. Look at the size of this tree. That fell. That is nuts. Got blood here. She ran right through here. I think she's back here now. Dead deer. I got some work to do. More blood. Dead deer. All right, so the goal here, I'm gonna gut her back here because I'm pretty far back here. That's gonna make the drag out or the carry out a lot easier. I'm also gonna wash her in the water there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie her leg up, just to get one of the legs out of the way so I can work, and we'll start the process. All right, so I always carry a little extra am steel. This stuff is super strong. It's backup for when I climb. All right, without getting too graphic here, what I've done is I've freed up the colon, and then I have cut slightly into the ham. Right here on either side is the pelvic bone. You can feel it kind of tapers down into the ham. We're gonna saw that out, and that's gonna free up all the guts and all that stuff. So we're gonna cut that out with the saw once we make our few more incisions, and that'll allow clear passage for everything to kind of come out in one clean motion. You make your incision up near the chest plate, but when you run your finger down here, you're actually going to feel the chest plate end, and it's very thin. We're going to saw through this so we can get to her trachea, but this is where all the business happens in the back. So we're going to take our time. We're going to use our fingers and pull up so we don't nick anything we don't want to nick. All right, so this is my attempt of carrying my deer out of the woods. I got a 75-pound S carabiner on that back and my deer drag, and I'm gonna use it just like a shoulder strap, just like that. We'll see how it works.
That way, if I get you falling, it'll make for great footage.
That'll be on the short. Yeah. That could make me go viral.
You know, this is what's great about being a YouTube sensation, is because what happens is you have to do all the work while your camera crew just laughs at you and takes your pictures.
There's a YouTube video, a YouTube channel called Solo Hunter. Dude, those guys are so good. So those deer walked right out of here yesterday. And I was back over there. You can see my stand, the arms from the stand. I would have had to thread the needle. And I saw a yearling right here. But what they did was they crossed over and went behind that palm. I couldn't get a shot, and they went over there. So I was right, I'll tell you where I was this morning. I thought, okay, let's cut the distance. Which, by the way, back here, man, like, it's just such a cool place to be hunting, you know?